Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily perform a factory reset on your SONOS Era 100. To perform a factory reset, the first thing that you need to do is to turn your speaker upside down. Here, as you can see, we do have a few numbers, something like that, and a cable. Prepare this cable and find your Bluetooth button, which is over here. So, first unplug the cable, power cable, and hold the Bluetooth button. Click it and hold. Now, put the cable into your speaker and observe the status light. Your status light has to be blinking orange and white. Now, as you can see, the factory reset is being here, performing here, and now it's done. That's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.